Rajkumar, who was employed with Easy Day. The face of the company, he daily negotiates the pressure in a retail environment where his servicing skills are tested by numerous demanding customers. But only a few months back, like many other school dropouts of his age, he was unemployed and squandered away most of his time, aimless, lacking any motivation for self-development. The only hope he had was to join his father's profession. Renu, the daughter of a security personnel, perhaps would have remained just a helping hand to her mother at home. Today, she has confidence in her newly acquired knowledge and skills. She has landed a job in the retail sector, working with more stores. The lack of relevant and affordable education remains the biggest identifiable impediment in the growth of underprivileged youth, often than not urban slum dwellers. Unfortunately for these children, the lack of English comprehension and articulation becomes integral to the problem of low self-esteem.
NIT has always wanted to be able to impact the rest of India, which is 70% of India, 800 million population, which is not touched by the existing presence of NIT, even though NIT is all across the country. What we realize is the existing model that NIT operates with just cannot survive with the rest of India, financially as well as in terms of reach. So NIT had to then think of a way by which we could create a model which is then replicable and sustainable and so on. But the model that can take lower costs, can provide good quality in remote areas or difficult terrains, or even in slums, it's very hard for good quality training to run, and also take care of the lack of preparation of the students who are coming into centers from poor education background. So with that intent is where we started looking at the NIT Yuva Star approach.
Today, there are 10 million jobs available in the service industry, while there are 41 million people enrolled in employment exchanges. Lack of skills is a serious concern. The purpose of this course is to equip them with marketable skills to get them gainfully employed in the organized sector, especially retail and BPO, which have the immediate need to implement and sustain their massive growth. And what they are looking for is reasonable English comprehension, good communication and interpersonal skills, and most important, confidence.
मेरी पढ़ाई भी हमेशा गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से हुई है, तो जैसे लोग अंग्रेजी में कभी बात करते थे तो हमें नहीं लगता था कि हम कभी बोल पाएंगे, या कोई हमारे सामने से बोल के भी जाता था तो हमें समझ नहीं आता था ये क्या बोल के जा रहा है.
मतलब इतना हेजिटेशन मेरे मन में था, बहुत ज़्यादा हेजिटेशन था, मतलब किसी सही से मैं बात नहीं कर सकती थी.
The students not only require career counseling, but need life skills training that includes psychological probing and emotional understanding, with a special sensitivity to their social and economic backgrounds. With such an integral stress on innovation in curriculum, NIIT Yuva Star is a comprehensive program encompassing all aspects of an educational training with basic English and IT education, customer servicing, including overview of the retail and ITES industry. To further improve their confidence, as part of the course, they are given projects such as conducting surveys in unknown localities to simulate consumer handling in various situations, a key to increasing their employability in the retail sector.
When go to the companies and schools, compulsory in the school in English. So you have any problem in English, so you learn that and revise that, and you speak in English and very well, so you have results.
With almost no exposure to the language before, it's heartening to see such efforts on their part. The desire to learn overcomes the fear of ridicule. Aware of their strengths and weaknesses, students at NIIT Yuva Star become confident and equipped job seekers.
When I was pursuing the course, there was an interview, there was a campus placement hold over there, and I got selected. Now I am working at Steria. I am able to carry out my studies, as well as I am able to support my sister who is pursuing PG diploma in MMC.
So our course specifically tailored to kind of address these gaps, in what the industry needs and what the students currently have.
सोच को उन्होंने सबसे पहले बदला है कि सोच बदलनी चाहिए, तभी मतलब आप तरक्की कर सकोगे। तो जब मेरी सोच ही बदली है, तभी मैं उस रास्ते पे मतलब तरक्की के रास्ते पर शायद कदम अब रखा है मैंने।
From the tradition-imposed confinement of a home, Mehrjabeen today has progressed to a confident professional life where she routinely talks to strangers who form her company's customer base. She works as a documentation desk assistant at a Bajaj showroom. And Mehrjabeen reflects the potential of Yuvastar to enable such a process of self-transformation in many more like her who can now look forward to a future.
In NIT Yuvastar, we are beginning to see results, but we are realizing to see the impact that we really want to see.